Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs Table and More Solution, bringing you this beautiful table. Um, this is a fall table, and yes, it's not too late. You can do your Christmas table, but Turkey Day is right around the corner, and a lot of people haven't done their Thanksgiving table as yet. So this is, I'm working the camera. This is some ideas on how to dress your table for Thanksgiving. So this plate is just gorgeous. It's a green and white plate with blue edges and a gold and yellow plate on top with a brown or bronze glass charger with a gold placemat and gold utensil. And I brought in the green in the wine glasses. So it's simple, everyday table, but perfect for Thanksgiving. And I brought in a coffee pot or a teapot and salt and pepper shakers, which is gorgeous, gorgeous. And these beautiful sunflower. Now, sunflower plant in general breeds life. They give life. And also, if you look to them, you'll see life. Sunflower is known to bloom facing the sun. So there's no sun in here tonight, but they are so sunny on this beautiful table. Look on the color. Look at the color of them and how vibrant they are. They're perfect for this table. Of course, they are fake, but nonetheless, they give a gorgeous look. If you know how to use them, you can buy them by the bunch and then clip them to the size that you need to make your gorgeous fall arrangement. It is so beautiful. I love it. Love it. And then we have a oil oil and vinegar container with creamer and sugar container. So they should have been crisscross, but I like to have them this grouping. So remember to add your salt and pepper shakers to your table and your oil and vinegar container along with your creamer and sugar bowl and your teapot or coffee pot so that your guests could choose between whatever beverages they would like. So, yes, it's just so gorgeous and I love it. I love it. I love the way it turned out. So this is for someone who like it a little natural and not over the top, but yet coordinated to the fact that you can see your colors and you can absorb all the little details that goes into making this table so cohesively ready for Thanksgiving. Yes, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I love it. This camera I'm using is new, and my zoom is so big that is out of this world. But I'm learning how to zoom in and out of my little thing. So here is a salt and pepper shaker with a teapot or coffee pot whichever beverage you want to pour in there. And I place them on a cutting board, which is natural. For some reason, I like the look of natural wood. It just gives a texture that I love. Cabin style texture. I love that texture. Um, and as you can see with this pull all the way in, you can see the details of each item that is placed on this table, the tablecloth to the placemat, to the utensil, to the charger, the dinner plate, and the salad plate. And now to the wine glass. Gorgeous. And the napkin. How gorgeous. Now, this is pulled to about, I don't know, 60% of the zoom feature that is on this camera. So I love that these plates are intricately designed with this waving of green in and out to make this gorgeous design. I love it, and it just says so much about the different colors that are used. Everything goes with everything, surprisingly sometimes, but today it was intentionally because I wanted to do something that is real nice and beautiful for Thanksgiving. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Tell your guests that you have now become a designer of your table, so that they're like, wow, maybe you can do my table too. And you're like, yeah, call Decisive Designs Table and More Solutions. And Trisha will do it for you. So I want to just thank you so very much for watching this video, for liking, for sharing, and subscribing to this video. And stay tuned for my next video. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.